In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure the chart of accounts in Zoho Books. This is a vital step in ensuring your financial data is organized and clear, making accounting a whole lot smoother. Let's dive right into this straightforward process that you can complete in just a few minutes. First, open up your web browser and head over to the Zoho Books website. If you're not already familiar, Zoho Books is an excellent online accounting software that helps businesses handle their finances effortlessly. This is where you'll start your configuration process. Once the website loads, look for the Sign In button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and sign in using your account credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to do that before proceeding with these steps. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Zoho Books homepage. From here, navigate to the section labeled Accountant. This section is specifically designed for managing financial records and transactions, so you'll find a lot of useful tools and options here. It might take a few moments to locate, but once you find it, click on it. Next, in the Accountant section, look for and click on Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is a crucial feature because it contains a listing of all the accounts that are involved in your financial transactions. It's sorted by categories like assets, liabilities, income, and expenses, which makes it easier for managing your financial data and generating reports. Now that you're in the Chart of Accounts section, you'll notice a range of accounts that you might want to customize to fit your business needs. To add a new account, look for a button labeled New Account. This is typically easy to spot, and it's your next step in customizing your chart. Clicking on New Account will open a form where you'll be able to add details about the new account you wish to create. Here you'll need to provide specifics like the account type, whether it's an asset, liability, or maybe an expense account, and other relevant information. Consider what makes sense for your business structure and operations. When in doubt, consult with your accountant to ensure you're selecting the correct account types and categories. After filling out the necessary details, double check your information for accuracy, and when you're satisfied, save your new account. Congratulations! You've successfully configured your chart of accounts in Zoho Books. This setup is pivotal for accurate bookkeeping and ensuring streamlined financial management. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay organized and happy accounting.